Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about everything you have to know about Igbo. Igbo is in Biafra land, and one of our language is called Igbo. So we are the Igbos. Today I'm going to talk about an average Igbo man, what they cherish to achieve in life. For those of you who are out there, my beautiful ladies who are not from my culture or Igbo, I want you to understand that if you're dating or if you're hoping to marry an Igbo man, an average Igbo man, there's 5 things you're going to be looking out to see in his life to make him feel complete, to make him feel a man, to make him feel, yes, I have arrived and I've achieved. So the first thing is, an average Igbo man will love to be financially stable. They love to acquire wealth. They want to stand like a man. They want to be able to carry the family, to solve the family problem. They want to develop their community. They want to stand among their mates and say, yes, I'm a man. So they fight right from their young age, even if they are going to study, or even if they are going to learn trade, or whatever they want to become in life. First thing in their mind is they want to be successful. They want to achieve success. They want to stand and be able to have that finance stable around them and their family. So he fights so hard. He works so hard. He can go extra mile to be able to be financially stable. Wealth is always in his mind. And secondly, they want to be married. They love family. To an average Igbo man, if he has wealth, financially stable, and a real man, why wouldn't he get married? Why wouldn't he have family? So to an average Igbo man, he wants to have a beautiful wife that will help him to make family. So to an average Igbo man, he wants to be married. And trust me, he wants to marry a good wife. A wife that has so much patience. Because being a good wife to an average Igbo man means you have to have self-respect. You have to have that thing in you to understand family value. You must be ready to respect all his family members. Yes, I mean all his family members. To an average Igbo man, you're not married only to him, but to all his family. His mom first, dad, sisters, brothers, nephews, cousins, niece, everyone in that family. It's your husband. If you're getting married to an Igbo man, I think you're just going to get him into the house and it's just you and the family. No. You are married to the whole family, darling. You must be ready to receive them as guests, visitors, every time of the day, of the weeks, of the months, of the year. Okay? Don't think it's just you and your husband or you and your family. We Igbos, It's in our culture that we fight for our family. And that's why when we are married, we have to be ready to stand up and do everything it takes to hold our family. So an average Igbo man wants to have a beautiful, good wife who can condole, who will understand what he wants as a man. You must have sack of patience, because to be able to be married to the whole family, you must be a woman with a lot of patience, because it comes with a lot. The sister will come, the mom will come. These two people, these two set of people are what you're going to battle with. Sometimes, if you're lucky as a woman, you probably meet a lovely mother-in-law who will accept you like her daughter. The sisters will accept you like their sisters. But in most cases, if you meet that one who is that jealous of the son, oh my God, you better be careful. So to an average Igbo man, he wants to be married and married to a good wife. And thirdly, he wants to have kids, children. Yes, you heard me right. Children. And especially, not just children, you must have a male child. A male child in my culture is very important that an average man should have in his family. Because in our tradition or culture, whatever way you want to say it, a male child takes his father's name after he's gone. So to an average Igbo man, he doesn't joke with his lineage. He wants a male child that will carry on with his lineage. In fact, once the male child is born, grow up, the father takes him along in his business or anything that will make him stable as a man. They show him a piece of land or give him a piece of land from the family where he's going to carry on with his home family in the future. So to an average Igbo man, he feels and he wants that respect. He wants to achieve it because it's important that his lineage continues after he's forgone. So for an average Igbo man, a male child is important. Yes, these days, Christianity or any man who feels like, oh, I don't want to do this culture tradition thing. Yeah, if we have kids, even if we don't have a male child, that's no problem. Sorry, sis. Sorry, my darling sis. Sorry, my darling girl. Sorry, my darling lady. Sorry, my darling whoever is getting ready to, my Igbo brother. Sometime, in most cases, they at the back of their mind want a male child. They go out to check. They go out to search. So I want you to know that if a male child in their life is very vital, is very important, they take it serious. If the man doesn't care, what about the family? What about the mom? Or the sisters? All of this you have to consider. The man have to go through. If he is trying anyway to consider the fact that the male child is not coming. So for an average Igbo man, he wants to have a man, a boy, a baby boy. In fact, when the baby boy is born, you see him and all his friends happy, and they will hail him and say, now you have arrived. So, brothers and sisters, I'm telling you the truth. An Igbo man, average Igbo man, want to have a male child among his children. And the fourth one is, an average Igbo man want to achieve success. Yes, he wants to achieve success. wealth, married, family, have male child, male, girl, whatever you call it, but he still want to be successful in life because he feels among his peers success is what will give him enough respect to stand any challenge that blows his way. So, to an average Igbo man, he wants to be successful, and that is why every average Igbo man work hard. Yes, they fight. They work so hard to have success in their life. Success to them is what a real man is. When you're successful, you're a real man. When you're successful, you will be respected. When you're successful, they give you titles. You achieve honors because that's what makes you a real man to an average Igbo man. And the fifth one is, oh my God, an average Igbo man want to achieve a title from the community. Yes, a title from the community. Because an average Igbo man love the development of his community. In fact, anywhere you find an average Igbo man, he wants to be among those who is developing that community. He cannot just sit when everywhere looks tattered. As far as he has the money, he will do everything to see his environment okay, his community develop because he wants that title. He wants people to know that he has arrived, that he is the equal of whatever you want to give him. So to an average Igbo man, or Mekanaya, he wants to have it. Ojiego Asamoto, he wants to have it. Ojiego Abajioch, he wants to have it. He is the Odegu of whatever community that he's found. So to an average Igbo man, that hypes him, that makes him go crazy. In fact, when he's among his peers and they're calling him this name, if he has dollars or pounds, he will start to spray it to buy drinks and buy stuff for them. Let me tell you, an average Igbo man, you see that title? Oh my God, it goes into their brain. In fact, at home, if an average Igbo man have title, ladies, let me tell you secret. Anytime you want to get something from your husband, maybe you want to buy this nice wig that I'm wearing here. Give him that his title name. Call him out. Odogu, Ojego Asamoto, the Dawn. You will see him happy. And that's when he's going to see. Oriakom, that thing you told me last night about buying wig, how much is it? Is the cost? And that is when you see your husband showing off. Or maybe you go to an occasion with him. The moment they start to call him this name, you will see your husband walking like this. Yes. So, my dear sister, one of the 5 things that average Igbo man want to achieve in his life is to be recognized, feel respected, and feel he's a real man. And these 5 things gives him that privilege and honor to stand and say, yes, I'm a typical Igbo man. Igbo man love his family. He can die for his family. He can go extra mile for his family, especially his wife, mother, sister, and daughter. You dare don't. I mean, when I say dare, don't even try to hurt an Igbo man's wife, sister, daughter, mother, you're finished. So guys, these are one of the 5 things that an average Igbo man cherished to achieve in his life. So I'll come to an end of this video, and I hope my sisters out there, at least one thing you've learned. If you're dating an Igbo man or you want to have him as a husband in the future, these are the 5 things you're surely going to see. Or even if he doesn't achieve the whole 5, 2 or 3 out of 8 is what he would love to have. So pray for whoever you're hoping to marry. If he's your fiancé, pray with him and wish him to have all this so that he will be happy with you. All right then, guys, that's it for today, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care and continue staying safe and positive. Like I said, my name is UJ Bella, and I would love to see you guys soon. So if you love this video, thumbs up for me and share so that a lot of ladies who are wishing to marry an Igbo man will know beforehand what an average Igbo man cherished to have in his life. Take care and bye-bye from me.